Hey friends, welcome to lesson 5 of Ready Up, day 1, learning guides and students. So you guys are going to need teacher's manual, page 51, and students, you are going to need page 51 in your workbook pages as well. Today we're going to be working with vowel patterns that make the ah sound. So words that make the ah sound kind of spelled with different letters throughout the week. So we're going to be listening for that ah sound throughout our learning. Today we're going to learn words with ah that are spelled in 6 different ways. AW says ah, AU says ah, AL says ah, WA also says ah, AUGH says ah, and OUGH also says ah. Let's look at your passage. Mom had a cough. Jen brought Mom a glass of water. Mom asked Jen to walk the dog. The dog's leash got caught on a pole. The dog found some spilled sauce. The dog licked it up. Then the dog licked its paw clean. Jen saw a small bug crawl across a wall. She saw a hawk up in a tree. The dog found a piece of chalk. Jen took the chalk. She could draw with it. Jen began to yawn. It was time to go home. Let's look at some of the words that are in this passage that make the ah sound. The first word that I'm highlighting or circling, and I would like you to do the same thing on your passage, is brought. Brought says ah. Say it with me. Brought. Do you hear the ah sound in that word? This sound is spelled O-U-G-H, ah. The next word that I have circled in this passage is water. Say the word with me. Water. Do you hear the ah sound? This is how these words are spelled. Words are spelled W-A, ah, water. The next one that I circled while I was reading is caught. Say the word with me. Caught. Now let's listen for that ah sound. Here, the letters A-U-G-H make the ah sound. The next word that makes the ah sound in this reading passage is sauce. Say the word with me. Sauce. Do you hear the ah sound in there? The letters A-U make the ah sound in sauce. The next word that I circled was tall. Say the word with me. Tall. All. Do you hear the ah sound in the middle of the word? That's how the letters A-L make the ah sound. And lastly, I circled the word yawn. Do you hear the ah sound in the word yawn? Say the word with me. Yawn. The letters that make the ah sound are spelled A-W. You guys did a great job today in reading the passage and finding words that have the ah sound. What I would like you to do is go back and reread this passage with your learning guide and then review the words that make the ah sound and how they are spelled. Great job today, friends!